Hi, we some humans. Happy to see you part of today's fun. In this experience today, we wanted to find the value of this expression 67 divided by 1 over 18 then times 18. Let's go and start solving the problem. We have 18 divided by 18 which equals 1. So here we have just 1, and 67 divided by 1 equals 67. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, we have to do this division first, not this multiplication. So let's start the correct solution. 67 divided by 1 over 18. To do this division, write down the 67 and change the division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 18 over 1, which gives 18. And here again we have times 18. 67 times 18 gives us 1,206. So 1,206 times 18, which equals 21,708. And so our final answer to this problem is just 21,708. Hit like and subscribe to keep up with the latest adventures.